draw a black-flanked rock wallaby. Its Latin name, Petrugale lateralis, means notable-sided rock weasel, although they don't really look like a weasel. Also known as the waroo or black-footed rock wallaby, it is a nocturnal animal living in small colonies in the rocky outcrops in Australia. Its superpower is its super sticky hind feet, which are well padded and textured, providing grip as they hop swiftly across rocks. Their tails help them stand, hop, and move. Start by drawing in the head and eyes. Next add a nose and a smile. Now one ear, then the other. All the way down to make the back. We need a leg. Round and stop. All the way across. Up and back. Up and across. Then all the way up. Like that. One paw. Then the other. Time for a tail. Wallabies need a big tail for balance. Well done.